Picture this. You're at a red light. Two compact SUVs, nose to nose. On the left, the 2025 Tesla Model Y. Quiet, confident, ready to warp drive away on nothing but electrons. On the right, Toyota's 2025 RAV4 Hybrid. Engine flicking on and off like it can't decide whether it's a Prius or a trail rig. Both promise guilt-free miles, yet they get there in totally different ways. And today we're putting them head to head.
Let's talk money first. A refreshed Model Y now starts just under 45 grand and stretches past 51 for the long-range all-wheel drive. A well-optioned RAV4 Hybrid enters at 33 and tops out around 41. That's roughly a $10,000 gap, enough for winter wheels, home charging hardware, or a family trip to Moab, but sticker price is only chapter 1. Under the skin, the Tesla runs a skateboard battery and 1 or 2 permanent magnet motors that punch out up to 384 miles of WLTP range and a 4.6-second sprint to 60. Toyota counters with a 2.5-liter Atkinson 4, flanked by 3 electric motors and a compact lithium-ion pack. The headline number is just 219 horsepower, yet it still manages a 7-second dash and an honest 39 miles per gallon combined. On real roads, they feel like two different sports. The Model Y's low center of gravity and instant torque make exit ramps addictive. Just be ready for a firm ride on those 20-inch wheels. The RAV4 Hybrid leans more in corners, but hits back with cushy suspension and an eCVT that keeps the revs chilled. If your commute is pothole city, Toyota's softer tune may win both hearts and vertebrae. Range anxiety versus refuel math is where philosophies split. A long-range Model Y covers 330-plus miles, but a full top-up on Level 2 still takes the night. The RAV4 gulps 14.5 gallons in 5 minutes, delivering nearly 600 miles before the next stop. Pick your downtime, parked in the garage sipping electrons, or at a pump every other week. Inside, Tesla's single-screen cockpit is now joined by a rear display and ventilated seats in the 2025 Juniper facelift. All controls live in that 15-inch slab, clean but glove-unfriendly. Toyota sticks with an analog cluster, satisfying HVAC knobs, and an 8-inch infotainment that finally offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Touch versus tactile. Choose your religion.
Cargo? Both hover in the mid-30 cubic foot range with the back seats up, though Tesla's bonus frunk adds grocery points. Seats folded, the RAV4 swallows a mountain bike without yanking the front wheel. Roof rack capacity is a wash, but no tailpipe on the Model Y means a lower hitch height and less bike wobble. Towing and trail creds. Tesla certifies 3,500 pounds, Toyota only 1,750, but the RAV4 Woodland Edition bumps ground clearance to 8.1 inches and rolls on Falcon all-terrains. Off-grid campers will need to weigh watt-hungry fridges against jerry cans of fuel. Long-term cost? Electricity averages 4 cents a mile in the US this year. Regular unleaded sits closer to 8. Toyota's reliability legend and an 8-year hybrid warranty keep maintenance anxiety low, while Tesla owners enjoy fewer fluid changes but pay more upfront for tires and the occasional out-of-network repair. For tinkerers, each has its cult. Model Y folks swap aero covers, install coilovers, and hack the heat pump for winter efficiency. RAV4 fans bolt on 2-inch lift kits, roof tents, and beefier lithium packs for bigger electric assists on the trail. Your mods, your vibe. Bottom line, if you crave punchy performance and embrace the charging lifestyle, the Model Y still feels like tomorrow. If you need go-anywhere flexibility, a friendly price, and the comfort of a nationwide dealer network, the RAV4 Hybrid remains a rock-solid daily. Either way, you're steering into the future, 1 watt or 1 gallon at a time. Like this no-fluff showdown? Tap subscribe so you never miss the next driveway decider.